Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Medail TV installed and allowed to record. Open your App Store, download Medail TV, and sign in or create an account so clips sync. Grant storage, microphone, and screen record permissions when prompted. Without them, recording will fail. Once done, set your preferred recording quality in settings. Higher bitrate means larger files. Make sure battery-saving modes are off so captures aren't interrupted. This first step gets your device ready to actually record gameplay. Now configure how you capture. Open Medail's recording settings and pick resolution plus bitrate. 720p at 60 frames gives smooth clips with manageable file sizes. Increase only if you have space. Enable background recording and the instant clip hotkey so you never miss moments. Pick whether clips save locally or upload to Medail's cloud. Local saves are faster, cloud syncs across devices. Once these options are set, test a 30-second capture to confirm audio levels and frame stability before playing for real. You're ready to record, edit, and share. When something happens, hit the Instant Clip button to capture the last minutes, then open Medail's editor to trim, add a title, and tag content. This helps discovery. Choose privacy and export options and share directly to socials or save to device. If things go wrong, restart the app first, then confirm permissions and free at least 100 MB of storage. If persistent, reinstall Medail. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly, so you can get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.